I'm Miguel Fierro. I'm a principal data scientist manager at Microsoft, and I like black coffee.
How do you calculate that ROI, and how do you calculate how much money that you've made?
So the typical way of doing this is you do an A/B test, and in the A/B test you need to measure some key metrics. Depending on the business, is different, right? Like you have a revenue lift, like average revenue per user, for example, is a metric that is important. In other companies, a conversion rate is important. A monthly active usage, like MAU, or depending on the engagement, depending on the business, you have different metrics. But what you do is you take you do the experiment and you say, okay, so we increase this metric 3% or whatever number, right? And then you say, well, based on the, for example, amount of revenue or amount of average revenue per user or conversion that we had last year, that equates, like if we use this model, that equates to this $1 million. And I think another thing that I found very useful is to talk in terms of dollars, right? You're asking, it's kind of, I'm asking for headcount, I'm asking for dollars. You give a result in terms of dollars. It's very, very easy because it's kind of very easy for them to understand.
Man, that's fascinating. And I find it so cool how you think about the incredible ROI when you're looking at it as like, hey, we saved or we increased the average sale price or whatever, the average value per customer by this percent, and it equals this many dollars. And then you say, and I did that with a team of 20 people or 50 people. And so the ROI on that is 40,000 times whatever you put in.
Yeah.
The cost of those 20 people was well worth it.